Hello everyone, I am Sikandar Aburakib. Today I am going to show you how to create AngularJS Starter Pack. I am going to create the starter pack in two ways. In this video, today I am going to create the starter pack by using Bower. For creating AngularJS Starter Pack, I need to have Node.js installed into my machine. Let me check node install version 6.9.2 and also npm 3.10.9. Okay, as I am going to use the Bower as front end package manager, so I need to have the Bower installed globally into my machine. And if you don't have the Node.js, please install it from here. As I am going to use the Bower, so I need to have Bower installed globally into my machine. If you don't have the Bower, you can install it, and you can go this official website and you can see how to install it into your machine. And I have a video, you can see it if you want. And to install the Bower, we need to have Node and Git, and this is the official website of Git. For Windows, you can download here. So this is all about the prerequisites to create the AngularJS starter pack. Okay, now I am going to create a project folder, AngularJS starter pack, and I'm opening it with my git bash editor. I am creating a index file, touch index.html, and I am going to write npm init AngularJS starter pack index.html. Yes, and Control C, and I have created the package.json file. I'm going to open this folder into my code editor. I'm going to open my project folder into Sublime Text, and this is the package.json file. Now I am going to install npm install save http server. Okay, and this is http server. Okay, now I am checking the Bower. Okay, now I'm going to create a bower.json file, touch bower.json file, and in bower.json file I'm going to write name Angular starter pack, and then description, and also dependencies. Okay, and I'm going to command window, and I'm going to install Bootstrap with Bower. Bower install save Bootstrap. Okay, and it is here, and I'm going to install Angular and Angular route. Okay, here Angular and Angular route. Okay, I'm going to index file, and I'm pasting HTML, basic HTML, and Angular starter pack. Okay, now I need to link Bower components here. Link Bower components slash bootstrap slash dist slash css slash bootstrap dot css, and Angular starter pack version 1.0. Okay, I'm going to create some script tag, and here src Bower components slash jQuery slash dist slash jQuery dot js, then bootstrap dist slash js bootstrap dot js. Okay, then angular dot js. Okay, and angular route and angular route dot js. So here is jQuery, Bootstrap, AngularJS, Angular route. And now I need to create app.js file, and I'm going to write angular.module myapp and ng route and dot config dollar route provider function route provider, and here route provider dot otherwise redirect to home. Okay, and I need to add app.js. Okay, Angular module my app. Okay, now I am going to create make directory page 1 and page 2, and I'm changing page 1 and touch page 1.html and page 1.js. Okay, cd page 2 and page 2 HTML I'm creating, and again I'm creating page 2 JS, and here I'm going to copy page 1.js and page 2.js. Okay, and in app.js I need to include my app dot page 1 and my app dot page 2 as a dependency injection, and I'm going to copy this code. I'm going to page 1.js and paste in here. Okay, my app page 1 and deleting rest, and here when page 1 template URL page 1 slash page 1 dot html and controller here page 1 ctrl page 1 controller, and also I am writing dot controller name page 1 ctrl and anonymous function console log page 1. Okay, semicolon here, and I'm copying the entire code and going to page 2 folder and into page 2 JS file, paste in here page 2, page 2, page 2, and also page 2, here also page 2, page 2, page 2, that's all. Okay, writing h1 and I'm copying the code, pasting here and changing it from page 1 to page 2, saving it. Okay, so this is my index file, and I need to write ng view where I'm going to inject my templates, and I need to add here ng app is equal to my app. Okay, and I'm going to copy some basic templates and control U, copy the neighbor and pasting here, and I'm changing as default AngularJS project, and here I'm giving navbar right, and here is home. I don't need this class right now, so I am just deleting this. This is home, and I'm changing it as a page 1, and this is page 2, and writing it as page 1 and page 2. Okay, I'm going to app.js file page 1, and here is page 1, here is page 2. Okay, so far so good. Okay, I'm saving all and going to here my command window and trying to run my project http server. So I'm going to localhost 8080. Okay, here I'm going to copy, writing location provider and comma location provider hash value. Okay, okay, you are not found. Okay, I made a mistake here because I need to give the folder name page one slash page one and page two slash page two. And okay, I am in page two. cd http server. Okay, okay, okay. So if I go to the browser, okay, it is now working. This is page one, page two, and this is the console message and no error. Okay, okay. So if I go to the Mozilla Firefox and I'm getting page one, page two. Okay, this is the AngularJS Starter Kit, but I need to apply the bootstrap here a bit. Index HTML dot container, and let me see the result. Okay, so I think this is that, and we can start our project here. We can create pages, we can create other features, we can add bootstrap components and so on. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, so I will use it in my later project. Thank you very much for watching.